Welcome or welcome back to another video of me recreating every single granny square from this granny square sourcebook. Today's video is all about the 19th square, the Tulips Square. Honestly, these types of squares are the ones I was looking forward the most because they're so pretty. They're nice and full and they have a pop of color, but they're also nice and neutral. I don't know, I just think this is really cute, so I'm looking specifically forward to this type of square. I've got my colors right here, so let's get started. Okay, so this is interesting. This is one of the few squares where we don't start with a magic circle, we actually start with a bunch of chains. And then slip stitch to close, and then a bunch of half double crochets. Okay, so here we go for the second round. Very nice and easy up to now. And I'm going to use this nice minty green color. I'm going for more pastel colors for this square. I'm supposed to skip one, go into the next. That's a double crochet, then I chain, then I double crochet in the same one. I don't chain and I skip one. I double crochet, chain, double crochet in the same. Okay, I think I've got it figured out. Oh, those colors are going to be so cute together. I'm not going to need that green anymore, am I? No. Okay, so I'm going to fasten this off here. Okay, this part right here is a little weird looking. Maybe it'll work out. I don't know. After that, I think I'm at the purple. So again, a nice lilac-y purple. And I think this is a popcorn stitch. Oh, double crochet bobble. I don't remember what that is. Wait, I'm not sure. I should Google it before I get far ahead and then figure out that I did it wrong. Okay, it's what I thought. Yay. There you go. That would be the flowers, the petals, the something. I'm unsure. Maybe it's my color choice. Maybe it's a little too pastel. I don't know. Okay, and now I'm done with the purple. Putting this away. And I didn't cut off this beigeish color, so I can just bring it wherever I want. Yeah, I think that's good. Whoops. That's another round done. And now notice this right here is kind of bothering me, but that's okay because when I sew in the ends, I'll just make sure to weave it in the back so that it's tucked out of the way. I'm liking it more now that this row is done. I was a little hesitant once I only had like those 3-4 first rows, but it's coming together. I have to trust the process. Double crochet 3 times into the next one to create the beginning of the corner. So like that. And now if I'm not mistaken, there should be 3 left. There's 4 left. Shoot. Which means that I didn't single crochet in the right space here. And now I have 3 left, so I can create the corner. Perfect. Yes, this is landing correctly, I think. Perfect. Okay. Okay, so that was the 7th row, right? Is that right? Yeah, it is. Look at how cute this is. Holier than I thought it would be because of this green part right here. But anyway, let's just finish the last row, which is super easy. It's a bunch of double crochets. That's nice. I am really enjoying making this square. It's working up really fast. It's cute. I'm enjoying my colors. My arm isn't hurting too much. That's good all around. When I work with acrylic, my hands are always very, very moist. What's the word? When your hands get moist? Isn't there a word for that? In French we say moite, so I'm guessing moist. Anyway, my hands just get really wet and humid. It's kind of gross. And when I work with acrylic at some point, it starts creating this little squeaky noise, and it's so gross. Ugh, I don't like it. So I think that's the main reason why I don't like to work with acrylic, but I really wanted to work with these colors, so I am enduring this for the end product, but at this point it's squeaking away and I'm not enjoying myself. I think I did something wrong in my previous row. I don't know what though. It's not gonna give 80 in the end. What did I do wrong? I mean, it's landing pretty well. Okay, I'm making an executive decision. I'm not gonna start over because it is landing pretty flat. I'm not unhappy with how this is turning out. Yeah, I mean, it's okay if it doesn't land perfectly, right? This is still a learning process. Yeah, see, I think I'm missing 2 double crochets per edge. Somehow. I don't know how I managed to do that because everything seems still to be landing correctly. That's okay. It's totally fine. It is. I need to talk to myself and be like, yes, it is fine. Stop thinking about it. It's fine. And voila. I'm gonna weave this in and I'll be right back. All right, so everything is weaved in properly. Let's just block it. And here you go. Can you see that? Is it too light? There you go. I've had a little time while I was weaving in the ends. I like it. Maybe it's a little too pastel-y after all, just because it doesn't pop. And also this part right here still kind of bothers me. I don't know why this right here turned out the way it did. Probably something I did. I mean, obviously it's something I did because I made this square. But I mean to say, it's probably not the square's fault, it's probably my fault, and that's okay. It still looks really nice, and even though somehow I'm missing 2 stitches per side, you can't tell, right? Please tell me you can't tell. I think this is more noticeable than the missing stitches somewhere. Maybe I'm not missing stitches and I just counted wrong, but I counted twice and there were 2 stitches missing, so. Anyway, still very cute. I do think this is the type of square that I would make again 100%, and it didn't take that long. That's not counting the minutes it took me to weave in the ends, but there were barely any ends to weave in. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys at square number 20. 1/5 down. Oh my goodness. Okay, see you soon. Bye.